Alright y'all, welcome back to Hobbit Footed Grillin. Today we're going to go ahead and make some chipotle chicken rice bowls. So we have these chicken tenders that are seasoned with chipotle powder, salt, pepper. And then we have some turmeric rice with red onion and turmeric and some chicken stock in there to make the rice. And we have a salsa fresca. We have two different types of sour cream sauce. We have a lime crema and we have a spicy chipotle lime crema. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get this chicken started. So we're gonna go ahead and put the oil on this griddle. Get our chicken on here. These are chicken tenders. While that goes, I'm gonna wash this cutting board, and I will do that. Now we're going to go ahead and give our chicken a flip. Flip our chicken. There we go. Let the other side cook up. Alright, what we're going to do now is we're going to pull our chicken. So just going to go ahead and grab it out of there. So our next step is going to be turn off the grill. So we're turning it all the way off. I'll shut off our propane as well. We don't need it anymore. Now we're going to start our assembly. So our assembly is going to involve our cremas, our salsa, and our rice. So we're going to go ahead and get them ready to assemble. We got this nice pan to hold our plates, our bowls. Now we're just going to get a bit of rice in their bowl. So we'll use our rice, put it in the bowl. And you guys might notice I'm wearing these gloves. These are food safe gloves that have a insulation under them so I can hold this hot stuff and not burn my hand. And so that's the idea. This is giving my chicken time to cool a little bit before the next step, which is going to be to cut it into these bowls. Each bowl is going to get 2 chicken tenders. So our rice, there we go. So now we're going to go ahead and get our chicken in here. So each bowl is going to get 2 chickens. So I'm going to use my my kitchen shears to nicely place our chicken tenders. in each bowl. Try to arrange them a little bit nicely in there. Some extra chicken tenders, so we'll just put them around the bowls. Okay, so our chicken tenders are distributed. Now we're gonna go ahead and do our crema. So this is gonna be our salsa and our cremas. So our salsa is just this tomato-based salsa that we made earlier. So we're gonna go ahead and each bowl get some of it on there. Now the salsa would have some cilantro in it, but my oldest niece does not like cilantro, so I'm gonna separately cilantro people's bowls and give my oldest niece the non-cilantro bowl. So hers is gonna be this one in the corner, so the other bowls get cilantro. Okay, and now the crema. So the crema comes in two varieties. So we have spicy and we have not spicy. So I'm going to give everybody some not spicy crema. So I'll give them some non-spicy crema. Non-spicy crema. And then the middle one I'm going to give some spicy crema. But anyone who wants to add spicy crema to theirs can feel free to do so. Alright y'all, thank you again for joining me here at Hobbit Footed Grillin. Today we made these chipotle chicken bowls with turmeric rice. So if you enjoy what I'm doing, please like and subscribe, and see you next time. Happy grilling. Bye.